Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the speech recognition feature on the offline map navigation application to search for a location. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should go to your home page, and as you can see in the middle of the screen there is a search bar, and next to it on the right side of the screen you have this microphone icon. So if you would like to use the speech recognition feature to search for a location, all you have to do is tapping on this microphone icon, and then you should allow the application to have access to your microphone, either here or either going to your phone settings. So tap on it and say the location that you would like to check out, and then you will be directed to your location on the map. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.